Hello. Welcome and thank you for attending this online Abacus training.
This is Parthis. How are you doing today? Great. So, up to now, you knew Abacus Tool, upper bead, lower bead, rods, and beam. Moving the bead near beam takes value. You learned to set numbers 0 to 99. Hope you practiced the numbers 0 to 99 on the abacus. Today, you are going to learn simple addition and subtraction. Are you ready? Alright. Let's recall, beads takes value when it is moved near the beam. To add numbers, beads are moved near the beam. Lower beads are moved up and upper bead is moved down. To add 1 lower bead is moved up. To do +2, 2 beads are moved up. For doing +3, 3 beads are moved up. To indicate +4, 4 beads are moved up. To do +5, upper bead is moved down. Let's see it again. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Well, let's see some examples. +1, +2. Step 1, set 1 by moving 1 lower bead up in one's rod. Step 2, to add 2, move 2 more lower beads up. Count the value of the beads that are near the beam. +1 + 2 equals to 3. We will do one more example. +1, +1. Step 1, set 1 by moving 1 lower bead up. Step 2, to add 1, move 1 more lower bead up. Count the bead's value near the beam. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. +1 + 1 equals to 2. Isn't easy to add numbers? Can you do 1 + 3? Let's do together this time. Set 1. Move 3 more beads up. Count the bead's value near beam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Got it? Good. Let's see another example of +5 + 1 + 2. Step 1, set 5 by moving upper bead down near beam. Step 2, add 1. Step 3, add 2. Count the bead's value near beam. 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Find out +1 + 5 + 1. Have you got the answer as 7? Cool. We will do fingering exercises for addition.